Hey YouTubers, this is Mopar's the Only One with my 1964 EVINRUDE 5.5 horse Fisherman. There's not much left of her besides the tiller handle and the exhaust housing and the busted off shifter handle. There's the power head. There's a gasket that's there that I gotta replace. And in the lower unit, reason why this bad boy wasn't pumping water was my impeller, which is this rubber thing here. You know, this guy, everything's in backwards, so when it would run it wouldn't pump water. Another problem with it is this lower unit here, the fluid is milky colored, so I might drain it tomorrow and investigate, see if there's any rust. But other than that, I think she's going pretty good for this early winter project. So if anybody has any tips for me or anything I should look out for when I do my other motors, like that Mercury, or this Johnson. If anybody has any tips for me, it'd be greatly appreciated. Too bad for this guy. It's beautiful 55. Okay. Well, there they are. If anybody can tell me anything on that 64, let me know. 5 stars, please.